But there's an overwhelming amount of doctors pawning metformin as a life-enhancing drug. In other words, they're pawning it over to you as something that will improve your longevity and your lifespan. But I would contradict that information in a big way, and here's why. What they're not telling you is that metformin, right here, metformin causes deficiencies of the nutrients CoQ10, vitamin B12, and folate. Now, the deficiencies of these nutrients can create a host of problems to include anemia and nerve damage and an increased risk for heart disease. So if you're going to use this drug for increased longevity, you should understand you should be supplementing with those nutrients. But I would also recommend you look at using something different than that medicine. I would recommend Berberine. It has many of the same effects, life-enhancing effects, as metformin without the nutritional consequences. So if you're in the market to try to improve your longevity and improve your quality of life, Berberine supersedes metformin in my book any day. And if you want more information about this topic of drug-induced nutritional deficiencies, check out one of my master classes on the topic in one of these links around this video.